Did you know that a tape measure can stretch over time? Well, not really, but it can become inaccurate. So what I want to show you right now is how to check your tape for accuracy, and if it's not on the mark, what to do about it. Now that's ugly. So what happens at a drop like that is this hook on the end becomes bent, and that can cause inaccurate measurement. Now the way to determine if your tape measure is actually accurate is to stretch it out along one arm of a carpenter's square. And then compare the numbers. Now you'll see here that there's a little bit of a difference between the carpenter's square and the tape. About a 1/16 of an inch actually. Now the fix is to bend this hook ever so slightly. And to do that, we'll first grip it with a pair of lockjaw pliers, sometimes called vice grips. And then grab a hold of the tab with a pair of needle nose pliers and make that bend. If the tape is shorter than the carpenter's square, bend the tab outward. If it's longer, bend it inward. All right, now let's check it. Right on the money. So even if your tape measure does stretch, well, now you know how to correct that.